Yeah, it looks like I need to do better than this, you know. Now I've got myself a carbon arrow, which is much better at piercing than the knife, you know. Yeah, I did say it was the first and the last time I was gonna use my fingers and thumbs to pierce through the packaging, but I think I should do it again, you know, as in the harder part of the packaging, the plastic. I should be able to do it again. You know, I should actually be able to do it again. Right? Just once isn't enough. I gotta do it again and again. Gotta be consistent. I'll continue to break through the harder objects. If I could look at how sharp this is. It's a carbon arrow. Um and then I can obviously use my knife as well. I think if I keep practicing I can produce more consistent results, you know.